or anything while we're going out to the public? Okay, I'm turning on another recording as well, and we're ready to go. Today's date is May 2nd, 2022. In Gray County, Texas, I call cause number 36591 in the interest of Jaden Shane Stidham.
State is ready, Your Honor.
All right. Present by telephone is Shelby Cross. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Cross?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Right. The court's file reflects that Mr. Stidham was served with notice of these proceedings back on March 21st of 2022. There has not been an answer nor has there been an appearance today. This case was set at 1:30 and it's now approximately 1:45. So we're proceeding to default. Go ahead, Mr. Blackburn.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll call Ms. Cross.
Ms. Cross, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Mr. Blackburn.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ma'am, what is your full name?
Shelby Nicole Cross.
What is the name of the child in this case?
Jaden Shane Stidham.
Who was ordered to pay support for that child?
Randall Shane Stidham.
And where is Mr. Stidham located right now?
He is incarcerated. I'm not sure exactly where at.
Okay. And do you know if he's expected, do you know his expected release date?
I think it's in August.
Okay. And, well, Your Honor, I'll ask that the court judicial notice of the prior order in this case, the establishment order from 2011.
I take judicial notice of the contents of the court file, particularly the order from 2011.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Cross, does Mr. Stidham have any income that you're aware of while he's incarcerated?
No, sir.
And would you have any issue with his child support going forward being set to zero due to his incarceration and lack of income?
No, sir.
Now, he does owe you some child support, is that correct?
Yes.
Your Honor, I'll offer into evidence State's Exhibit number 1, or a copy of the pay record, showing that Mr. Stidham's arrears as of the end of last month are approximately $40,000 for child support and approximately $4,000 for medical support.
Admitted as State's number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Cross, do you believe that Mr. Stidham should have to pay what he owes to you?
Yes, sir.
And would you find it reasonable for him to pay the child support back at $250 and the medical support back at $75 per month?
Yes, sir.
How is, excuse me, how is your son covered for insurance, ma'am?
He is on Texas Medicaid.
All right. Do you have insurance available through work or a spouse that he could be placed on?
No, sir.
Okay. And you have some concerns with Mr. Stidham having access to your address?
Yes, sir.
What concerns do you have?
Just his history with why he's locked up now. It's really safety concerns for my son. Okay.
And Your Honor, I will offer into evidence State's Exhibit 2, a record of incarceration for Mr. Stidham, and I believe that shows his charge as aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And Your Honor, I would ask.
Admitted as State's number 2.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, I would ask the court for to grant a trial amendment to grant the non-disclosure from Ms. Cross's information based on her concerns that she stated today. And I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Cross, are you concerned that Mr. Stidham may come and want to visit with Jaden?
Yes.
I can't change the visitation, but you might want to consult somebody at Texas Legal Services or something like that to get that visitation order to be appropriate for someone who has not seen his child in a lengthy time, all right?
Okay.
I'd highly recommend them. All right, based on the testimony and evidence, is there anything else you want me to know, Ms. Cross?
No.
Okay. I'm granting the judgment against Mr. Stidham and ordering the payouts to be as requested on both items, the medical support and the regular child support. And I'm granting the request for a trial amendment, and I'm granting the non-disclosure. Court costs assessed against Mr. Stidham due a year from now, so June 1st of 2023. Is there any other relief I need to address, Mr. Blackburn?
What was the current child support addressed, Your Honor?
To 0?
Yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor, I don't believe there's anything else.
All right. And Ms. Cross, the AG's office will monitor and make a determination of when Mr. Stidham is released and may very well be back after his release date to start the child support again, okay?
Okay.
I'd like to see some payments. You've done an excellent job of raising your son by yourself.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Blackburn's going to prepare that order for my signature and I will sign off on it. There's a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Vanderpool and he'd start over. But if nobody does that, this order that we're to make today and Mr. Blackburn will prepare, it starts to become final and you should get a copy in the mail or by email in about 2 weeks, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you, Ms. Cross. Thank you so much.
Thank you.